Hey guys, it's me Echo, and we're back on my server. To be honest, this server doesn't get as much views as my friend here. Also, say hi to YouTube again. And McJade, say hi YouTube. Oh well. I'm recording, by the way. I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. To be honest, this...
Did you take a picture of the shower? Oh, okay, perfect.
Why do I have with this here?
Okay, probably not, but is the water working in the shower?
To be honest, this server though is very good. To be honest, this recording would be the longest recording could be on.
And actually, the carpet, I believe, down there is going to be replaced.
Hey. Say, yeah. It goes on recording? If my girlfriend, if I had a girlfriend, Wolfie, would it be Wolfie? Yeah, I think it'll be the YouTuber that had manga parodies going. Because she's a good parodier, and in the future maybe we'll get married. And I forget!
You know, it might have to go, there's like a little area where you put a table next to the kitchen. You know, it might have to go over there. Because there's no place to really put it in the kitchen.
What? To be honest, that was a good idea. Now, on to Wolfie. No, I meant, to be honest, today, soon it's gonna be Easter, but I haven't thought of an engine to make. I'm gonna go with an egg one. Oh god, Wolfie! Soon is...
Oh, I mean, it's definitely livable. You know, I mean, it could use new carpeting and very good cleaning. And some nits and gnats here and there, but, you know, by and large, it's doable. At the price, you know, it's definitely doable.
Huh.
Yeah, that's because it's a basement in an old building, so the ceilings are not very high. You know,
To be honest, this is the one more talk that my friend built.
Extremely unusual. You know, they don't dig the hole that deep. So.
Some say though, maybe you guy ask me where you got the map from. Well, it may be a time when I was looking on a wiki page. On like a map page. I saw a map that they didn't tell me about. So I asked them about it, and they told me it was haunted. I'm like, ghosts? Come on, I can prove it, and they won't mind at all. But if they get a message, that's when the ghosts are totally games. So I got the map, made it with a customizable, but it's fine. No guys are gonna harm me. Guys, that's Pikachu.
So, we'll see. We'll see how everything plays out, because it's up to them. They obviously have to make sure that all these little details are taken care of, whether or not they want to go for that. So, and, if not, that's not the end of the world. Probably, if you were looking to do it with a roommate, then of course you could have a larger budget, and, you could do, the only thing is this is, it'll be very difficult to find anything this close to the station anywhere. That's the, those apartments get rented quickly, and they get rented at a premium, obviously. So, yeah.
To be honest, if a creeper went on the other side of me, what would happen?
Yeah, you're right by 287, so if you're going anywhere, you can jump on the highway, and you're, less than 30 minutes from the house.
Same here. I could tell it's a very good spiller. So I recommend playing it, but watch out for ghost signs. I got a feeling that they made a bait anytime. I just got a feeling.
That's why that's the expression in real estate, location, location, location. Alrighty, you want to do the cleaners already? Okay, good.
And that's all, guys. Well, see ya. XDDD.